Hello Cubers, welcome to Kuberverse. Are you trying to figure out how to create or install a Kubernetes cluster in your home lab and don't know where to start or how to do it? You are in the right place. I'm here to help you. My name is Arthur Scheiner and I'm glad to be here with you. Today I will share with you the method that I have created to automatically bootstrap a fully functional Kubernetes cluster with one master and two workers node in your home lab in a matter of minutes. To run this lab, you will need a computer capable to running 3 virtual machines. You will also need to install 2 free softwares on your workstation, the Vagrant by HashiCorp and the Virtualbox by Oracle. For more information about the requirements of this lab, please read the full description of the video below. Cubers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow. If you need to receive information about the newer contents that we will publish here, don't be shy. Activate the notifications. Thank you very much. First, we need to create the directory where we're working. This is our work directory. After that, we need to go into this directory. As you can see, the directory is empty. Now we will download our Vagrant file, the file that defines our cluster environment. If you don't know what is a Vagrant file, I suggest you to access the vagrantapp.com website and read the documentation about the Vagrant and how it works. The link where you can download the Vagrant file is available on the description. Everything needed by our fully functional Kubernetes environment is described on this file. I have created this file to make my life easier on creating bootstrapping Kubernetes clusters. As you can see, the master count it's 1 and the worker count is 2. This means that we will bring 3 servers, 1 master, 2 workers, and all the definitions, including all the steps to configure and bring up the cluster, are defined on this file already. Now let's see what Vagrant says about our file. As you can see, hitting Vagrant status, the Vagrant describes the 3 machines that we have described inside the file, and it's saying that they are not created yet. So we will hit the command Vagrant app to bring the workstations, the machines up. Hitting the Vagrant app command will bring our environment up. As you can see, it is downloading, doing everything needed to bring up our fully functional cluster. Now, if we hit the Vagrant status again, you can see that the 3 machines are working and running. We need to access the master node to see what is happening inside Kubernetes. We will go into this node, hitting the Vagrant SSH and the name of the master node. Now that we are inside the node, we will hit a command to see the component status, the control plane of Kubernetes running, kubectl.cs. And now we will get the information about the nodes. As you can see, all the 3 nodes are ready, including the master. At this time, the Kubernetes is running and we work with any Kubernetes commands that you run on this console. That's it. As we have reached our objectives on this lab, we will now destroy the Vagrant environment that we have just created with the command Vagrant destroy -f. With this, we have ended our lab. You don't need to destroy your lab if you don't want. You can study and use it for learning purpose, but in this lab I will destroy the environment using the Vagrant destroy -f. That's it. We have done here. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.